Hi everyone. I am going to do a little review of area. So we're going to review finding parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. The most important thing to know is that you should always have your formula sheet handy. So there is a formula sheet posted in Schoology. You should have that either printed or saved on your Chromebook so you can reference it whenever you're doing any problems that involve area. You will also need a paper, pencil, and calculator. So if you do not have paper, pencil, and calculator with you right now, pause this video and go and get those materials. Okay, now that you have everything, let's get started. First, we're going to go through an example. Our first example is to find the area of this triangle. So I put on here the triangle and then our triangle formula from the formula sheet. So the first thing we need to do is identify the base and height of this triangle. The height is 4 feet. The base is 9 feet. Notice that height and base of a triangle form a right angle. You can see that right angle right there. Then we just plug in our formula. So your formula is over here. Area equals 1/2 base times height. So we do 1/2 times 9 times 4. And you can multiply in any order because it's all multiplication. So I'll do 1/2 times 36. So our area equals 18 square feet. Remember that anytime you're dealing with area, your unit is going to be squared. Let's do one more example together before you try some on your own. So let's find the area of this triangle. Again, here's the picture of the triangle and our formula, 1/2 base times height. The height of this triangle is 9. The base of this triangle is 16. Notice that the height is actually outside of the triangle, which is completely fine. We always look for this right angle to show us where the base and the height are. So again, we use our formula, 1/2 times base times height. So 1/2 times 16 times 9. So 1/2 times 144. So our area equals 72 square meters, or 72 meters squared. Okay, now it's time for you to try some on your own. You need to pause this video, use your paper, pencil, and calculator to figure out the area of these 6 triangles. So I'll give you some time, pause right here, and then when you're ready, you can press play and I'll show you the answers to the area of these triangles. Remember, I said pause. Okay, now you might want to pause again just so you can check to see that you answered all of these U-tries correctly. Next example, we're going to find the area of parallelograms. So again, we have our parallelogram on the left and then our formula from our formula sheet on the right. So to find the area of a parallelogram, you do base times height. So the height of this parallelogram is 5 and the base is 8. So we multiply base times height, or 8 times 5, and we get 40 square meters. Let's try another example. Now we have to identify the base and height of this parallelogram. The height is 12. The base is 23.5. So that 15 yards over here is just a piece of information there to distract you. And we don't actually need to know that that length is 15 in order to find the area. So we multiply the base and the height together in order to get 282 square yards as our answer. Now there are 3 for you to try. Again, pause this video and try them on your paper and pencil.